Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this GTPLAYER Gaming Table 140 RGB table keyboard pad gaming table with really cool looking stuff, as you can see. This table here comes with a nice, good looking tabletop desktop, and on that there is a mouse pad. That means you can navigate with your mouse as every part of the tabletop. The desk is 140 to 66 to 73 centimeters, and it's available in black, red, and blue. Black, red, and black, blue. It's a perfect gaming table for you. The cool shape has been designed with an ideal fashion design and offers more playing style. The visual enjoyment and a unique feeling we can see it as the desk, computer desk, or on the desk itself. We have a large surface. The size is 140 to 66. The height is 73 centimeter. We can put many devices on it if we like. Computers, laptops, microphones, books, or other items on the large desk. And it's multifunction. It's equipped with a keyboard pad and headphone stands, adjustable table feet, and they make life really easy and offers an every extraordinary experience for all. High quality, as you can see. This product has always adhered to the principle of high quality. And they are determined to offer us customers the most cost-effective products. This gaming desk here is a new product introduced by the brand itself, that is GTPLAYER, and offers us a good experience. They believe it will bring us a different experience of all. It's easy to set up, as you can see, and it's fast to set up because there are only approximately 20 screws which I have to tighten to assemble that. You have a T-shaped gaming desk, 55-inch carbon fiber texture gaming table here. We have a comfortable mouse pad, and they use green materials to save energy. And the texture and the quality are excellent, as you can see. And the mouse pad is over the desktop, all over the desktop. And we have an adjustable headset hook. The headset hook is adjustable so you can place our headset more conveniently on it. And we have a double cable guide hole. There are double cable management holes with the desk, which can manage the cables effectively, and it avoids twirling. And it's adjustable, stable feet. We can move the desk comfortably as the feet are adjustable and very stable, which gives us more flexibility and, of course, safety. We can adjust it from 0 up to 10 millimeters. And we enjoy our player life. The desk is very suitable for gaming, as it offers a great comfort and a very good experience too. And if we attach our rig on it, that makes it good and nice looking for our rig. We can place our computer system on it. We can use the cable management system to get our tower personal computer underneath of the desktop, and or we can manage our cables by using cable straps, and we use the holes in it which are closable, and of course the mouse pad over the surface is really cool because it is good for left-handed guys, right-handed guys, and you can navigate with your mouse where you like on top of the desktop. And there is a nice and good color. It is carbon look dash The desk itself is carbon look, and the other components are black and blue or red. I like red really much here. And if you attach everything, if you assemble it, you are ready to get a good game with this. You can easy peasy let your chair, your gaming chair, stand on it, stand nearby, and you are going to get a good feeling with that GT Player Gaming Table here. It's a really cool gaming table for everyone out there. It saves place for you. That means you can install or get there two flat screens on it, no prop for it. And with this, you are ready to get new high scores and go the ladder up until place one with GT Player's gaming table here. This is a nice desktop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.